Welcome to the future of sustainable luxury, where vast pineapple fields under the golden sunrise meet cutting-edge technology to transform agricultural waste into something truly extraordinary today. Witness the incredible journey of a humble leaf, once considered mere farm waste, now becoming the primary ingredient for the most sophisticated vegan leather in the global fashion industry. Every year, millions of tons of pineapple leaves are discarded, but our innovative process captures this value, creating a circular economy that benefits both the environment and the farmers. The transformation begins with automated harvesting, where precision machines carefully collect the leaves, ensuring that only the highest quality raw materials enter our advanced production line for processing. Industrial efficiency meets ecological responsibility as these smart harvesters navigate the terrain, reducing labor intensity while maximizing the collection of every single leaf available for our sustainable leather. Observe the seamless transition from the field to the factory as the raw biomass travels through automated conduits ready to undergo a sophisticated scientific metamorphosis into high-end fashion material. Advanced robotics take over the sorting process, using intelligent sensors to categorize every leaf, ensuring uniform quality and preparing the raw materials for the intensive, high-pressure cleaning stages ahead. Hyper-cleanliness is paramount in our process. High-pressure water jets remove every trace of soil and impurities, leaving the leaves pristine and ready for the complex mechanical fiber extraction phase. This intense purification stage uses recycled water systems, demonstrating our commitment to sustainability at every step, while achieving the highest standards of cleanliness required for premium vegan leather production. With the leaves now purified, they enter the core processing zone, where the physical structure of the plant will be broken down to reveal the hidden strength within its fibers. The scale of our operation is designed for impact, processing tons of agricultural waste daily, with a level of precision that traditional leather manufacturing simply cannot match in today's world. Every parameter is monitored in real time, allowing our engineers to maintain perfect consistency across the entire production line, ensuring that every batch of leather meets our strict luxury standards. The first phase is complete. What was once considered useless waste has been cleaned, sorted, and digitized, standing ready for the mechanical miracle of high-precision fiber decortication and extraction. We now enter the heart of the mechanical process, where high-speed decortication units use precisely engineered steel rollers to strip away the outer green flesh of the pineapple leaves efficiently. Watch closely as the outer layer is removed, exposing the long, resilient white fibers that provide the natural strength and durability which characterize our premium, high-performance, vegan leather material. The mechanical separation is a delicate balance of force and finesse, isolating the valuable cellulose strands while simultaneously diverting the pulpy biomass to be repurposed for other industrial uses. Nothing is wasted in this facility. The leftover green pulp is collected to be transformed into nutrient-rich organic fertilizer, feeding the very fields where our next harvest is currently growing. These vibrant white fibers are the building blocks of our material, and the vibrating conveyor helps to loosen them, ensuring they remain tangle-free and ready for the chemical refining process. Precision robotics ensure that the delicate fibers are handled with care, maintaining their structural integrity as they are grouped together for the next critical stage of purification and softening treatment. Human expertise remains vital as our specialists conduct visual inspections to ensure the decortication process has perfectly isolated the fibers without damaging their natural tensile strength and beautiful organic texture. We apply a proprietary organic enzyme mist to break down any remaining plant waxes and lignin, a natural glue that makes fibers stiff, ensuring the final leather is soft and supple. This gentle biochemical softening process is crucial for achieving a hand feel that rivals the finest traditional animal leathers, while remaining entirely plant-based and free from any toxic heavy metal chemicals. The scale of this mechanical operation is a testament to modern engineering, allowing us to produce high volumes of high-quality fiber to meet the growing global demand for ethical materials. After the softening bath, Excess moisture is carefully squeezed out using hydraulic pressure, preparing the refined fibers for the intensive washing and centrifugal spinning stages that follow in the process. Centrifugal force is used to further refine the material, spinning the bundles until they separate into individual, hair-thin strands of pure pineapple silk, the ultimate foundation for our high-end vegan leather. Under the lens, the unique architecture of pineapple fiber is revealed. Its natural microscopic holes allow for exceptional breathability, making the final leather product incredibly comfortable for the end user. Our automated transport systems move the refined fibers with silent efficiency, minimizing contact and contamination as we transition from mechanical extraction to the high-tech purification and washing department. Mechanical combing aligns every strand in the same direction, creating a uniform density that is essential for the structural integrity and aesthetic consistency of the final non-woven leather sheets we produce. The final rinse in these bubbling purification tanks removes any lingering residues from the enzyme treatment, ensuring that our fibers are chemically neutral and safe for even the most sensitive skin. This thorough washing process is what gives our material its purity and prevents the degradation of the fibers over time, contributing to the incredible long-term durability of the finished vegan leather. As the purified fibers emerge from their final bath, they are ready for the sifting and drying process that will transform them from a wet mass into a soft, workable material. Quality control is integrated into every second of the process, with high-resolution sensors verifying the purity of the fibers before they are allowed to proceed to the crucial infrared drying chamber. We begin the refining stage with high-speed centrifugal stirring, where a powerful water vortex further loosens the fibers and ensures a perfectly even distribution for the next processing step. This swirling action is not just visual. It mechanically separates any tiny clusters, ensuring that every single strand of fiber is independent and can be bonded more effectively during the later stages. The refining area operates under precise thermal conditions, using heat and motion to optimize the fiber's surface properties, making them more receptive to the organic binders used in the creation process. Next, the fibers are evenly distributed onto a wide conveyor belt, entering a sophisticated drying tunnel, where intense infrared light will carefully remove moisture without damaging the delicate organic structure. Infrared technology allows for deep, uniform drying from the inside out, preventing the fibers from becoming brittle and ensuring they retain their natural elasticity and strength throughout the entire manufacturing cycle. As the moisture evaporates, the transformation is stunning. The heavy, wet clumps turn into a light, airy mass of fluffy, white fiber that is incredibly soft to the touch and appearance. Powerful air jets then loft the dried fibers, ensuring they are completely separated and aerated, creating a cloud-like consistency that is perfect for the non-woven matting process that comes next. The dried material is transported through a sealed vacuum system, preventing any contamination or loss of material as it speeds toward the precision assembly area for its final architectural formation. In our sterile clean room, air-driven nozzles distribute the fibers with mathematical precision, creating a base layer of uniform thickness that will determine the final quality of the leather sheet. Every individual strand is strategically placed, using advanced aerodynamics to ensure that there are no weak spots in the material, resulting in a leather that is consistently strong in every direction. Layer upon layer of pure pineapple fiber is built up, allowing us to customize the thickness and weight of the material to suit everything from delicate apparel to heavy-duty furniture upholstery. Laser precision monitors the depth of the fiber bed in real time, making micro-adjustments to the flow rate to guarantee a level of uniformity that far exceeds traditional hide processing methods. The fluffy layers are then gently compressed, removing excess air and preparing the material for the mechanical bonding process that will turn these loose fibers into a cohesive, solid textile sheet. We now approach the needle punching station, a marvel of mechanical engineering, where thousands of specialized needles work together to weave the fibers into a dense and incredibly durable structural matrix. A sustainable corn-based biobinder is applied to the fibers, acting as an eco-friendly adhesive that will reinforce the mechanical bonds and add a layer of resilience to the final material. The rapid descent of the needleboard marks the beginning of the transformation, as the loose mass of pineapple fiber is physically transformed into a strong, non-woven textile through sheer force. Each needle stroke pulls fibers across the layers, creating millions of tiny interlocks that mimic the complex protein structure of animal skin, providing the same tear resistance and flexibility we expect. At thousands of cycles per minute, the machine weaves the fibers into a tight, dense mat that is virtually impossible to pull apart, forming the robust foundation of our leather. The resulting felted mat is the first true version of our material. It is a high-performance, non-woven textile that possesses the remarkable strength and versatility required for high-end manufacturing applications. This base material is now ready to be moved to the finishing department, where heat, pressure, and biological dyes will finally give it the appearance and feel of luxury leather. Step into the main production hall, where our massive metal looms operate in a continuous cycle, creating the world's most sustainable material, with a precision that defines modern industrialism. The needle punching process is a mesmerizing display of speed and power, as thousands of barbed needles entangle the pineapple fibers, turning a soft cloud into a high-strength structural fabric. This mechanical interlocking is the secret to our leather's durability. It creates a three-dimensional web that holds firm under stress, just like the collagen fibers found in traditional animal hides. The rhythmic vibration of the machines echoes the heartbeat of our factory, a constant pulse of innovation that transforms simple farm waste into a material that can compete on the world stage. Flowing like a river of white gold, the continuous mat of fiber moves through the loom, maintaining a perfect consistency that is monitored by our artificial intelligence quality control systems. We now transition to the heat pressing stage, where massive rollers apply hundreds of tons of pressure while heating the material to permanently set the internal bonds and flatten the surface. Under the extreme heat and pressure, the organic binders melt and flow around the fibers, creating a solid, composite-like structure that is incredibly tough, yet remains flexible and breathable for wear. Watch the surface transform in real time. The once fuzzy mat becomes smooth and dense, taking on the characteristic look and feel of a high-quality leather base that is ready for dyeing. The finished base material is cooled and stabilized, locking in its new shape and density, resulting in a creamy white sheet that is remarkably similar in appearance to premium top-grain leather. Precision trimming ensures that every roll of material is perfect, with laser-guided blades creating clean edges that reflect the high standards of our manufacturing process and attention to every detail. Thousands of square meters of base material are produced daily, forming a vast library of sustainable resources that will eventually be transformed into the luxury products of tomorrow's fashion world. Feel the quality through the lens. This base material is naturally flexible and tough, providing the perfect canvas for the intricate colors and textures that our finishing department will soon apply. Our rigorous testing includes ultraviolet scanning to detect even the smallest microscopic flaws, ensuring that only perfect material proceeds to the final stages of dyeing and high-end aesthetic finishing. A secondary pressing stage further stabilizes the material, ensuring it can withstand the mechanical stresses of high-speed dyeing and the intense heat of the embossing rollers that define its final look. Looking through the material reveals its flawless internal structure. The uniform distribution of pineapple fibers ensures that every inch of the leather has the same strength, unlike natural animal hides. An organic primer is applied to prepare the surface for color, ensuring that our bio-based dyes penetrate deeply and bond permanently with the fibers for long-lasting, vibrant colors that never fade. We use only the finest natural pigments derived from bark, roots, and minerals, creating a palette of rich, deep colors that are as beautiful as they are environmentally friendly and safe.
Absolutely stunning.
Our automated spray system
You and the
applies
team
the
did an
dye with
incredible
extreme
job bringing this
precision,
to life.
achieving a perfectly even coat that enhances the material's natural beauty while ensuring complete color consistency across every single production roll. Watch as the fibers drink in the natural pigments, transforming from a simple plain